I think.
A lot of trees.
Yes, it's a lot of trees. Paper towels and toilet paper wipe out 94,000 trees every day. To clean up our messes, we're doing damage to the planet. So we're growing a sustainable future for home paper. Introducing Seedling, a line of sustainably produced toilet paper, paper towels, and tissues. It's absorbent, strong, and tree-free. Instead of trees, it's made from bamboo and sugarcane, two grasses that are plentiful and grow fast. And they work great. The two-ply construction captures moisture without compromising strength. Our jumbo rolls last 2 to 3 times as long as the supermarket brands. Plus, a portion of every purchase will fund the planting of new trees in the U.S., the Seedling Promise. For every 50 rolls, we'll plant a tree. Our goal? 100,000 new trees in the first year. Good on messes, good for your budget, good for the planet, a better paper for a better world. Seedling by Grove.